You were rubbing that here, and that was keeping you from grinding. Here, let me see. There you go. Yeah. It takes a second to get used to it. You're doing good though. If you want to just start with the soft pad to get the feel of how the grinder works, and then that one's a little more advanced. I kind of gave you the big boy right off the bat. But with the soft pad, it has more give in the actual pad as well. I'd come at it from this angle over here. And just go. And then just note where that is. It should be good. There you go. There you go. It takes a while, so you can just go nuts on it for a little bit. There you go. Looking good. See, that pad's a little more gentle. It takes a little longer, but it's less abrasive. So it's good, especially for getting used to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then...
Because I'm worried about cutting in somewhere else.
Yeah, exactly. We got to just stay kind of where we welded.
Yeah.
And then we go from there, and we see how it looks.
Yeah.
And if it's kind of pocky and holy, I'll hit it one more time. But this one's on its second pass, so this one's probably going to be pretty good after we grind it.
Right.
But that one, we might get lucky in first shot.
Okay.
Crossing our fingers. I'm going to keep grinding on this a little bit till I go next door and make somebody else do it. What's going on over here? Paul sounds frustrated. Ooh, light.
And let there be.
Well, fighting some trim. We have the cordless ratchets if you guys want them. What are you stuck on, Paul?
I don't know. It's just a little tab that slots in that.
But once that groom got a little bit.
I think if you go in gently with the screwdriver on the top where it's pinched, you'll be able to encourage it.
Give it a gentle pop. Peter, are you working all by yourself? It's peaceful. Are you getting apart? Allie'd be here, but she had to.
Get in there. Terrible.
I can help. Hold on. I'm going to go see what's going on in transmission land real quick.
Okay.
That I've already spent doing a whole lot of nothing.
What's up with the transmission party?
Jeff did some cleanup over the weekend,
Yes.
and I don't know where the parts are.
Oh, shit.
So I cleaned and prepped a bunch of parts for assembly, and I don't have them. I don't know where they're at.
What parts?
Parts for the transmission.
Tranny pieces. I wanted to get...
I believe it's called something else now.
Let me call real quick.
I just wanted your reaction when I said
Not
tranny.
trannies. I think it's called.
When I said tranny pieces.
Tranny fluid. No, I don't want that. Ah,
Not the 900 number.
Like transgendered, I believe is what it's called now.
Well, yeah, that works. We like everybody. Most of the time.
Most of the time.
what we can do, and we need
No
to
more
do,
music.
There's plenty of music going on here. I'm just gonna take. We are stuck in tranny limbo.
Couldn't afford the bottom half, eh?
Oh my God, Andre.
Yeah, he's not answering.
Son of a beach. Oh, good. We got a lot of grinding to do. So who wants to grind?
Well, the other
You're
thing
like,
we need
"Damn
to do is take the dash out.
Oh yeah.
Have you been outside getting sun?
No, it's just flushed.
All right. Peter, what do we got? We're trying to get this little trimmy trim off.
There's three here and the one down here, and they've been breaking. The one on the bottom there, we can't. It's hard to reach the bottom one, but I can't even get to these ones.
The bottom corner.
Yeah.